Are you a primary school teacher looking for ways to save time and enrich instruction? ChatGPT may be just what you need. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate ideas, content, and structure for lesson plans on various topics. This can save time in instructional planning. Teachers can use ChatGPT to create draft slides, worksheets, quizzes, and other instructional materials on various subjects by providing the topic and key points. This can assist in quickly producing engaging materials for lessons. For students needing extra practice or challenge, teachers can use ChatGPT to generate personalized worksheets, assignments, and exercises tailored to individual student needs on specific skills and topics. This can aid in individualized instruction. ChatGPT can help take some of the busy work out of grading by providing model answers for worksheets, quizzes, short answer questions so teachers can quickly check student work for accuracy. This can save time on grading. ChatGPT can generate sample update emails and progress reports to parents and guardians based on student performance, goals, challenges, etc. This can save time on administrative communications. Teachers can have ChatGPT summarize, extract key points, and cite sources from online articles and resources for lesson research and developing instructional materials. This can aid in research. ChatGPT can suggest interactive classroom activities, discussion prompts, and creative lesson ideas based on the teacher's goals and constraints. This can inject new ideas into lessons. Teachers can use ChatGPT to modify activities and assignments for students with special needs, advanced learners, ESL students, etc. based on specific adaptation requirements. This can aid in differentiation. In summary, ChatGPT can be a useful assistant for primary teachers in areas like planning, material creation, individualization, grading, communication, research, and more to potentially save time and enrich instruction. But teacher oversight is still important for accuracy and appropriateness.